बता दी।
None of the things I will tell you later. Okay, second question is if you were...
Wait, I know what it is. I was being sarcastic. No, wait, what is LGBTQ plus? What?
LGBTQ.
I don't know what's Q, but I know what's LGBT. Okay.
What is LGBTQ plus?
Arey, just shut up, please.
Yes, I know that.
Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transsexual, queer.
Yeah, very good.
If my parents get to know that I'm lesbian, and that is if I am, well, my mom will be fine with it eventually because she listens to me, she understands me. I can explain things very well to her, so she'll understand eventually. Like she's a little bit of a drama queen. She's like an Indian mother after all, so drama to karegi. And my dad, he doesn't care. Honestly, he's this man who will be fine with anything until and unless I set my career. So I think they'll be fine with it eventually.
बेटा घर से निकल जा।
They would actually be like, I'm proud of you.
ऐसा होने वाला नहीं है और मुझे अपनी मर्दानगी में बिल्कुल भी शक नहीं है।
If I tell my parents that I'm a lesbian, my mom will be cool with it. My dad will probably freak out and end up in the hospital with a heart attack.
निकल जाओ मेरे घर से, इस घर में आने की जरूरत नहीं। नकारा निकम्मे लोग। गौर कर जुगे बेटा, कल बेटा ये क्या हो गया? लड़कों की कमी पड़ गई थी, मैं तुम्हें छोड़ के आऊँ लड़कों के पास?
रिएक्शन ही होगा। घर वाले सबसे पहले बोलेंगे, बेटा निफ्ट कहाँ से तुम्हें इतनी जल्दी आ गया?
मम्मी बोलेंगी पहले बता देती, इतने सारे लड़कों से बात नहीं करनी देती। मम्मी मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड कैसी लगी? बेटा दामाद कहाँ है?
ओके, मेरे मॉम डैड बहुत ज़्यादा पहले तो गुस्सा में होंगे आई गेस, क्योंकि सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है हमारे यहाँ पे, ऐसे कहते हैं. बट आई थिंक आई विल कन्विंस देम एट द लास्ट बिकॉज इट्स माई चॉइस. इट्स माई चॉइस एंड इट्स नॉट माई चॉइस. इट हैज बीन माई बर्थ दैट शुड आई बी गे और बाइसेक्सुअल और व्हाट. सो मैं मना लूँगा अपने घर वालों को. बट हाँ, रिएक्शन बहुत गंदा होने वाला है. शायद मुझे घर के बाहर निकाल दिया जाए थोड़ी देर. बट एट द एंड आई विल गेट माई पार्टनर एट होम.
They'll probably kick me out of the house, man.
मैं गे हूँ और मैंने घर पे बताया तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे घर वाले खुश तो नहीं होंगे. और अगर हाँ मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो इस फैक्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर लें तो उनको करना पड़ेगा धीरे धीरे.
They would obviously say, according to the current scenario, they would say no. But I guess I would ask them once, and if they said no, I would continue the way I would be.
Are you convinced?
If they would be convinced, I would. But if they say no, then I would still continue the way I am. I would not, because that is my right.
Feel freak out?
Probably yes.
Okay, hi. If you were gay and you told your parents,
They'd be pretty chill about it. I think they'd be very open about it.
maybe the reaction, like they would be shocked, but this should not actually happen. Like if you are a gay or a lesbian, it's okay. What's wrong in that? So do you think your parents will come around to the concept? Yeah, why not? They will support me for that.
I don't know, yeah, they might be, obviously they will be shocked at first because we all come from this Indian society. But given that I know my parents, they'll accept me the way I am. Yeah, they will.
I think I belong from like very conservative family. So first of all, they won't believe. Then my dad is doctor, so he might get me for the checkup and stuff, and he will try to figure out that what happened wrong and ab tak kyun nahi pata chala, something like that. And I think they would tell me to hide this thing.
I think my parents would they'd not really have a hard time. They'd take some time to process it, but they'll be fine with it eventually.
What do you think
They'll flip out. Being Indians, they'll flip out.
And do you think they'll ever come around to the concept?
Well, I don't know about that, but yeah, maybe not. Never thought about that. But for as much as I know, I think they'll really flip out.
They'll kick me out of the house. No, first they'll, lock me up and try, in their words, मुझे सुधारने की कोशिश करेंगे.
House arrest.
Yeah, house arrest. And then if I'm still the rebel, I think they'll just throw me out of the house. Cause They are the narrow-minded Indians. Maybe my mom will be cool with it later. Like maybe she'll try to understand. But I don't think Dad will ever come to terms with it.
I don't think so. Even though they try to be cool, I don't think they're the cool parents. they still come back to that. Oh, no, this is not good for you. And all.
In our society, like how much ever we are cool with it, I don't think they are. And we can't even blame them because it's how it's been forever.
Forever, yeah.
I think they'd be cool with it. Yeah. They would not be cool with it, but they would love it. They would eventually be cool.
तुम ऐसी कंट्रोवर्शियल चीज मेरे बारे में क्यों लाते हो? But I'll not say that I'll be very happy. I'll be disappointed because most of the mothers have a lot of expectations with their daughter-in-laws and things like that. I also would wanted a friend in a daughter-in-law, but that would not happen. It would take a little time, but gradually I need to listen to my boys' choices. So that's it. Frankly speaking,